the jacket tight, feeling like a second skin. The asphalt's whispering where the journey should begin. I see the yellow sign, a warning for the soul. But I don't need the brakes when I'm losing all control. The world is blurring out, just a streak of neon blue. And every mile I'm gaining is a mile I'm closer to you. The handlebars are steady, the gravity is low. I'm chasing down the feeling that only riders know. I'm looking through the apex, I'm searching for the line. Just like the way I'm trying to make your spirit mine. I'm passing the curve like your heart, baby. Tucking in tight when the world starts to sway. Dragging a knee through the dark, baby. Chasing the heat till the night turns to gray. It's a dangerous dance through the heat for thin edge. With those guys I'm saying seas and a permanent pledge. Passing the curve like your heart, baby. And I'm never gonna drift away. The wind is screaming loud, but the engine's got the groove. I'm watching how the shadows in the headlights start to move. You're the hairpin turn that I never saw coming. The reason that the pistons in my chest to keep on drumming. One wrong move and I'm sliding off the track. But you're the finish line and I'm never looking back. Music drops to roll. Thanks. Counter steer into the deep unknown. On this winding road, I'm never alone. Shift up, feel the rush, feel the spark. I'm carving my name right into your heart. I'm passing the curve like your heart, baby. Tucking in tight when the world starts to sway. Dragging a knee through the dark, baby. Chasing the heat till the night turns to gray. It's a dangerous dance while the razor thin edge with 1,000 sling stairs and a permanent pledge. Passing the curve like your heart, baby. And I'm never gonna drift away. The engine sound fades in the distance, just like your heart.